The moment I created this YouTube channel, Dreamers Paradise, the first thought came to my mind. Is there a Dreamers Paradise or a Dreamland? I don't know. I feel we need to create it. Whatever we like in our life, we need to create it. See the mangoes, the button roses, so pretty and beautiful. Enjoy the beauty of the nature. We need to create our surrounding beautiful, like a dreamer's paradise. That's what I feel. Is there a dreamer's paradise? I don't know. I'm sure there are so many people who created their surroundings so beautiful, isn't it? Am I right? If yes, say so.